Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade boom and crash on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, we'll look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, I'm on boom 1000 index, daily time frame, and we can see that the price of boom 1000 has formed like a bearish trend around here that got broken somewhere about this point, around this point, excuse me. Excuse me, somewhere around this point. So price rose up and retraced, okay, and it's trying to go up. That is what we have on the daily time frame. But as it goes up, there is this descending trend line that must be broken for price to continue up. Okay, that's that on daily time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is bullish. And we are about seeing a retracement for price to continue to go up. But I might be wrong. Price could just go up a bit, then drop lower. Anything can happen, but that's that on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, is currently ranging. Price is currently ranging. We have a trend line this direction. Okay, then we have another one here. So we might watch out for the break of this triangle. Is it going to break to the top side? Is it going to drop for the new bearish trend to continue? Only time can tell. Okay, that's that on the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Can see the triangle. The triangle is still there. Price is ranging. It's ranging. Price currently dropping for now. We need a break above this descending trend line for price to target the resistance area around here, this other block. Okay, a break of this trend line, price will target this other block area, and a break down this trend line. Let's look at the next other block. If price breaks down this trend line, we have this other block around here. Price could test this particular other block. Okay, so that's that for the 1-hour time frame. Let's look at what has happened on the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can see inverted head and shoulder. All right, inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. Boom 1000 index, 30 minutes time frame, and this is our right shoulder. So the neckline, let's look out for the neckline. The neckline is around here, which has been broken and retested. Price is trying to go up. If price continues its way up, we might see price targeting this other block first before price gets to this particular other block around here. Okay, all right, so that's that for the 30 minutes time frame. Boom 1000 index. What do we have on the 15 minutes time frame? On the 15 minutes time frame, we can see that price is ranging. Okay, price is ranging. Look at this channel, ranging in a channel. Okay, we expect price to continue in the channel, but if price breaks the ascending trend line here, we might see price dropping first to this other block, this very other block first, before price drops lower to this other block. And then we also have another other block around here. This is another support. Price could drop to this support, and then we have the final one around here. Price could drop to this particular support. Okay, so but we have more support. We have more buyers trying to push price up. Okay, currently it's dropping on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at it on the 5 minutes time frame. You can see it's dropping, except a spike occurs. It's trying to form like a double top. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, but it's an upward movement. It's an upward movement on the 5 minutes time frame, but more like we are in the range. I see the spike coming, and then we might be having something like this for price to retrace. All right, that's on the 5 minutes time frame. It's spiking up, but also ranging at the same time. On the 1 minute time frame, what do we have? We have on the 1 minute time frame, price is buying, it's going up, it's buying, and ranging currently. That's boom 1000 index. Let's look at crash 1000 index. Let's check crash 1000 index. Crash 1000 index has been buying after the break of the range around here. We have the range break around here, which happened around here, broke the range, and since then price has been buying in the last week, within the last 5 or 7 days. It's been buying. So let's look at what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. It's bullish. We can see a break of this structure around here for us to establish a bit of retracement, that price continue to buy. Okay, currently price on the 4-hour time frame is trying to retrace, but the overall trend is bullish. Look at the 1-hour time frame, bullish. We have this evening star around here, but it can only retrace price possibly back to the initial resistance, might now be turned to support. Okay, for price to find a level of support and then continue to buy. Okay, that's that. On the daily time frame is bullish, look for buying opportunities. That's that. On the 1-hour time frame is bullish, look for buying opportunities. On the 30 minutes time frame is also bullish, look for buying opportunities. Look for buying opportunities. But on the 30 minutes time frame, a closer look, we can see head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. This is the right shoulder. So price broke the neckline and is selling, but we have this other block here that can serve as support. Price could find support at this other block and continue to rise. The other block is in confluence with the ascending trend line, so price could rise from there. So that's that on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. The head and shoulder pattern is more elaborate, it's more clear, it's clearly visible on the 15 minutes time frame. This is a retracement for now until we see it completely go down for us to call it a reversal, but for now it's a retracement. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame is dropping, it's spiking down, but a break of this trend line, which is already broken, might see a reversal. Let me clear it. Okay, might see a reversal on the break of this. Look at, might be having a reversal for the overall bullish trend to continue, as you can see on the screen. Looking at the 1 minute time frame, on the 1 minute time frame, you can see the spike continue to go, keep having spikes. Okay, spikes, then the retracement, then spike. Okay, currently we're having like a retracement, but the overall trend is bullish, so you might considering joining the buyers to buy crash 1000 index. Let's look at boom 500 index. What we have on the daily time frame, boom 500 index is bullish, but we can see this pin bar and price is reacting to the pin bar. Look at this pin bar, price is reacting to it, and we are having evening star pattern. Evening star pattern is currently being formed. We had one here formed here, but it was invalidated, and price broke the structure, but it's more like a fake out, turning out to be a fake out. We might possibly see price retracing. But let's keep our fingers crossed and continue to monitor boom 500 index. Look at on the 4-hour time frame, the candles are getting longer and price is dropping. Price is dropping. Let's see how far can price drop on the 4-hour time frame using our Fibonacci tool. You can see it's dropped to this closer to the 61.8. Okay, a break of this 61.8, we might possibly see a drop to the 3700 area, and it appears as if that might happen. Look at the length of this candle. It's quite longer than every other candle on the left side of the chart. Okay, so that's that for the 4-hour time frame. Boom 500 index is currently selling on the 1-hour time frame. So look for selling opportunities. If you can trade against spike, you can jump in on the sell and possibly sell to the next support, which is our next order block. We have this other block around here. You can sell to that point, and we have another order block around here. You can sell to this point. Okay, but for now, boom 500 index on the 1-hour time frame is selling. Look at on the 30-minute time frame is selling. Look at the break of structure. Look at this break of structure around here. It's selling. Look at the break of structure around here. It's selling. So we keep having low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So just jumping on the sell, the bearish trend. 15-minute time frame still selling. Okay, still selling. Consider selling for now. Boom 500 index, consider selling for now. But on the daily time frame, the overall trend is bullish, but for now it's dropping because of yesterday's pin bar candlestick formation. Finally, let's look at crash 500 index. Crash 500 index on the daily time frame. It's been ranging for like a couple of months now. It's been ranging. This is the range top. We have the range top around here. It's been ranging. It's our range top around here, and this is the range bottom around here. So crash 500 has been ranging. You might want to trade the range. If you are a range trader, you might want to trade the range. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. What do we have on the 4-hour time frame? You can see price trying to rise to the range top. Okay, price trying to rise to the top. So we might consider buying crash 500 index for now. Look at this tree drive pattern. Okay, the low, higher low, higher low. Tree drive pattern is sending price up. So you might consider buying for now. Crash 500 index. Look at this on the 1-hour time frame. Look at this bearish engulfing. But despite that fact, look at the buyers are already stepping in. Okay, and buyers are trying to push price up. So you might consider buying crash 500 index, drawing another trend line from here. Okay, you can see the trend line is currently being respected. Drawing another trend line from here. We are like in a triangle. The break of this triangle should inform you on which direction you want to follow, whether you want to join the buyers or you want to join the sellers. But for now, crash 500 index is currently buying, so you might want to look for buying opportunities. Okay, that's that for the 1-hour time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, crash 500 index on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see a new candle just opened, and it's as if the buyers are going to win this range. Okay, we are already looking at something that looks like inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. That's the left shoulder. This is the head, and the right shoulder is currently being formed. So you might look for buying opportunities. Let's look out for the neckline. Where's our neckline gonna be? Neckline is gonna be something like this. Okay, gonna be our neckline, something like this. So a break of this neckline, retest of it, if it breaks the neckline as it is currently trying to break it, and retest this neckline to go up, then we might join the trend, the overall bullish trend. Okay, that's that on the 30 minutes time frame. Look for buying opportunities. Okay, if you can trade against the spike. Of course, on crash index, spike goes down. But if you are buying, you are trading against the spike. So if you can trade against the spike, consider buying. That's that for the 30 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. What do you have? The inverted head and shoulder is more elaborate. Okay, more elaborate. So if you can trade against the spike, look for buying opportunities on crash 500 index. Okay, if you are going to buy, we have our resistance. Let's look at the other blocks. These are resistance. Okay, this other block, these are another resistance. This other block, you might buy up to those point. We have the 4743 point, and then we have the 4716 point. You might consider buying up to those points. All right, let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. It's bullish, it's buying, it's ranging currently on the 5 minutes time frame. But you can see the trend line on the 30 minutes or the 1 hour time frame is currently being broken. So you might consider buying crash 500 index on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 1 minute time frame. What do we have? The 1 minute time frame, you can see that the buyers are stepping in and trying to push price up. You can't even see a spike. Possibly when we get to this point, we might see a little spike at that point, a little spike, then price will continue its way up. If it gets to this point again, if it gets to just a minute, if it gets to this point, we might see another spike, a little spike, then price will go up to respond in response to the inverted head and shoulder that we can see. Okay, so that's that for crash 500 index. That's that for today's video. If you're here to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. You can like the video if you like what you just saw. Drop comments, ask questions below the video. Share the video to your friends and loved ones. You can click the bell button below the video for notifications so that when we release another video tomorrow, you'll be notified. You can go to our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade. You can also go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade boom and crash index. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.